As the Indian government is busy battling coronavirus pandemic, the citizens too are not behind in extending their support and making sure that the poor survive even through these hard times. People across faiths have been coming to the forefront and helping the needy. A similar scene was witnessed in Aligarh city of Uttar Pradesh, where an organization rising above religious lines is feeding the hungry souls. Have a look.
In a bid to ward off hunger woes, various individuals and organizations across the country have been distributing food and grocery items to the needy since the Prime Minister has imposed nationwide lockdown. One among them is Aligarh-based Manav Upkar Kitchen, who has eliminated all social and cultural woes and proved that humanity is above all caste and religions. The kitchen is distributing food to people regardless of their caste, community, religion or social background.
21 मार्च से जो है जनता कर्फ्यू प्रारंभ हुआ, क्योंकि कोविड-19 जो महामारी है उसके अंतर्गत तमाम लोग परेशान हो गए। उसके लिए मानवता संस्था के मानव सेवकों ने हार नहीं मानी और सभी समुदाय के लोगों ने मिलजुल कर, किसी ने कोई आटा लेकर आया, कोई चावल लेकर आया, किसी ने दाल दी और किसी ने कुछ जो है पूरी सेकी।
Started in the year 2000, the organization was founded by the people from all religious backgrounds with the motive to feed the hungry and serve the cause. The term Manav Upkar translates to benefit of the humankind, and therefore this organization tries to help as many citizens as possible regardless of their socio-cultural backgrounds in various ways. They even perform the last rites of unclaimed bodies as the religion of the deceased to pass on the message that service to humanity is service to God.
एक इकबाल का शेर है, मज़हब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, हिंदी है हम वतन हिंदुस्तान हमारा। यही हमारी जो संस्था है मानव उपकार की, यही बेसिक्स है, उसका निचोड़ जो है यही है। मैंने देखा इस संस्था के अंदर के हर मज़हब का आदमी, हिंदू हो, मुसलमान हो, सिख हो, ईसाई हो, और हर मज़हब के लिए, यानी जैसे मानव उपकार जो लावारिस लाशों के लिए करते हैं, मुस्लिम्स के लिए करते हैं, हिंदूज़ के लिए करते हैं, यानी एक संस्था मैंने देखी, मुझे ताज्जुब होता है कि मैं अखबार ही पढ़ता हूँ, सब कुछ है कि हिंदुस्तान के अंदर एक संस्था है जहाँ पर आपको भाईचारे की एक बहुत ही उत्तम मिसाल मिलेगी।
Currently, the organization has 900 members who are working day and night to help the needy amid the nationwide lockdown and provide them with 2 square meals. They even distribute sevai during Eid and halwa during Hanuman Jayanti in order to honor the beliefs of every religious community. Their act is not just a wonderful example of humanity, but also showcases the harmonious coexistence of different faiths in the country.